So I'm just having to replace the safety switch, pressure switch on this old Blackridge compressor. So this is a part here that's failed, as you can see, but up in here there's like a diaphragm, like a rubber diaphragm that's failed, so it leaks air. It's kind of hard to do with one hand, but it leaks air up through here, so you'll only ever get 30 psi. So Bunnings have new 4-way switch. This is it. This is the prices. So it's $40 for the switch, and I grabbed a new air bleed valve and a new air filter. You do need to swap this off, the old one, as that's what screws onto here. It's like a captive nut, so you do need to swap that over. When you do swap them over, I just use this stuff. I get some from work, but even thread tape will do. It's just to help seal the threads back up and give all the threads a clean. Bit of a wipe down with some brake cleaner. As you can see, I've got all the wires swapped over from the old switch. It's literally just a matter of, even if you take a photo, just copying the exact same wiring. That's all it is, both sides. I just, the old one had lock washers on it, on either side, so I just put them on as the new one didn't. And for the cable, it's got like these, this squashes down into like a female part, so it just holds the cords. So use the new ones, because the new ones are actually longer than this. These ones, the old ones, won't clamp down properly, so the cord will still wiggle. Same thing, just you might have to, gently move this aluminium line around, because it's slightly bent. You just be gentle and it'll move however far you need. Just snip everything down. So it should be pretty well set from factory, but if you have to adjust them, you can see the bolt here, so either screw it in or screw it out, and that adjusts. So I've set it to 120 psi on the gauge, and it kicks back in about 70 psi, so it's sort of like balanced. Some of them have another little screw just on this plate here that you can adjust to to get your balance right. So it'll go to pump up to 120, and then once you've used the air a bit, it'll kick on at 70 back to 120. I'll show you what I mean. It'll get loud, but just watch. It releases pressure and the bolt comes up, so the diaphragm's set at 120 because I've adjusted this. And then if you watch this, so I just put the drain on, it'll get noisy again. See how it drops down? So yeah, that's how you adjust that. You can also adjust the safety pressure release. Either screw it in or out. You want it set a little bit above, you know, your maximum PSI. So I've just done that. It's probably around 140. So I actually bought this new one this morning. You've got to use a set of circlip pliers to adjust it, but it keeps binding up, which is what you don't want. And it's just cheap. Probably cost about 2 cents to make in China, and they charge you $10 for this. This one I actually got from a pneumatic or a hydraulic place. It's adjustable, just got a lock ring. So I swapped them out. Over adjusted this, so it went up to about 140 psi, and then set this so it blows around the 130 psi. So set that with a lock nut, and then just readjusted this back down to the 120 psi max, and then it all shuts out. I'll show you again. That. That's all done, all put back together. Put the lid back on. Just pulled all the cover off and checked everything. Gave it a bit of a brush out. Gave it all the wipe down. There is a bit of rust starting up under there. It's not too bad, so I just sprayed it with CRC 556. Just wiped the whole tank down. Messed up with the filter. I thought this one was a 1/2" BSP, but it's not. So I've got the wrong filter, but I think I might just go to the hydraulic shop and get an adapter. These ones seem to be more accessible in town compared to these, and they want like bloody $22 or something just for one of these, and they're disposable, whereas this is an old metal one with a little filter inside. Get it off on it. Yeah, you just replace it like a paper element filter. So I think I'll get an adapter and put this one on. It's just got like a foam filter inside, but it's more of a muffler system. Try and quieten down the intake a bit. So yeah, as you can see, it's holding pressure pretty steady. Might have to get some new taps or that, maybe. I don't know. Give it a bit of a birthday with some new trinkets. As you can see, I don't know if you can see that. It says 10th, 9th, 13. So she's 12 years old. So if we get another couple of years out of it, it'll save me $300. Yeah, thanks for watching. One last thing, bit of a post-mortem. So this is the diaphragm rubber that was leaking. As you can see, she's ripped. It's ripped and then sucked up into the pressure valve. So yeah, there you go. That's all it is. Similar to a carby on a bloody mower or something. Just uses that diaphragm to control air. Yeah, she's proper fucked. Right.